When you add on mod vehicle and try to start game. It simply throw you back to the desktop screen. Like this. Let's solve this. First let's open OpenIV. You all know what is OpenIV. It is used for adding mods in-game. Once it open, go to mods-update-update.rpf-common-data. And then go to dlclist.xml file. Create new folder in the desktop. First click Edit Mode in OpenIV and click Yes. And drag and drop that dlclist.xml file to that folder. Open that folder in which you have put dlclist.xml file, by right-clicking on that folder and selecting Open with Notepad. Type Ctrl+H on keyboard. Replace Alt/ to \\. Replace Alt/ to \\.
Then save the file.
Open OpenIV. Once it open, go to mods-update-update.rpf-common-data. And then go to dlclist.xml file. First click Edit Mode in OpenIV and click Yes. And drag and drop that dlclist.xml file to that folder.
In my case it does not show replace option, but if it shows, then replace it. You can see the difference what we made. Changes in the file.
Before.
After.
Problem is solved.
Now open the GTA 5 game. Live proof.
Would like to spawn the add-on vehicle. G-Wagon to show live proof.
Enjoy the game.